Hello everyone, today we will talk about sweep tool in Revit. It's simple way to create the form. We need to draw some path and some profile what we will extrude by this path. Click sweep. In this window, we need to choose what we want to do, sketch path or pick path. Actually, we don't have any edges to pick our path. We will sketch the path, sketch path. We can choose the option how we want to draw our path. For example, it will be line. In this case, I will draw something like this. We need to pay attention. I can create unclosed form because in many situations when we drew the sketches, some sketches, we drew closed form. It was necessary, but in this case, when we draw the path, our path can be unclosed. I click finish edit mode, and this is our path, and click here to edit profile. We actually we also can draw profile and choose the profile, or we can load profile, but in many cases we just edit profile, click edit profile to create new profile. In this window, we need to choose where we want to draw our profile, because on the plan I can't draw my profile because I need to extrude my profile along this path, and I can go on 3D view to better understanding what did I mean, what I meant, and I will draw my profile, for example, like this. I can draw any profile, but my profile should be close, yeah, because this is profile. If I try to draw my profile like this and click finish, I'll get an error because lines must be in closed loops. Continue. And I also cannot intersect my lines. I also will get an error. I fix it and finish edit. Click here to finish edit mode. Click finish again because before I confirmed only my profile and my path, and now I should confirm my path and profile. Click here, and we can see our profile. Go to the reference level, we can see our profile. If I select my profile, I can't. I don't have any control arrows. Like when we draw extrusion, blend, or revolve, we had control arrows, but in this case we don't have any control arrows. But to edit sweep, we need to select the figure, click edit sweep. In this window, we can choose what we want to edit, sketch, or path, or profile. For example, I want to edit my profile. Click here and click here. At first, I selected profile, and now I need to choose what I want. I want edit profile. Edit profile, go to 3D view, open view. And for example, I change something, for example, like this, confirm again, and my profile was changed.